Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. So welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC series. Plums is a new initiative by Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So Plums is nothing but prelims level up MCQ series. On daily basis for different subjects, daily 5 MCQs will be dealt. Today is December 10th, 2022. So this is about episode 6 CSAT. Okay. In this video, we'll be dealing about math, aptitude, and reasoning as a part of CSAT. Okay. On daily basis, at 9 p.m., 5 MCQs will be dealt as part of plums by different faculty. On Tuesday, geography and environment will be done. On Wednesday, polity, governance, schemes will be done. Thursday is about economics, budget, and survey. And today, that is Saturday, CSAT, math, aptitude, reasoning will be done by me. My name is Vaishnavi. So, Why sir is also going to deal about current affairs maps IR on Sunday, history, art and culture on Monday, and on Friday he'll be going to deal about science and technology. So if you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing UPSC. So there are different videos which are already present in Vysh IAS YouTube channel. So you can get access to them once you subscribe and click the notification bell icon. And also if you are a new member or a new one to start the preparation and don't know from where to start, you can WhatsApp to the given number on the screen if you are a serious aspirant. So let's start the video. The MCQ 1 is from the chapter called Ages. The difference between the present ages of Arun and Deepak is 14 years. 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5:7 respectively. What is Deepak's present age? So they have given the data as the present ages. The difference between the present ages of Arun and Deepak as 14 years. So that is what we are going to write over here. So difference between their both ages is 14. So they have given the ratio of their both 7 years ago as 5:7. So from this only we have taken their present ages as 5x and 7x. Okay. So we have taken their ages 7 years ago as 5x and 7x. So their present ages will be 5x plus 7 and 7x plus 7 because there is a 7 years gap between that period of time and this period of time. So we have taken the present ages as 5x plus 7 and 7x plus 7. And in the data which is given in the question, the difference between these both is nothing but 14 years. So we have taken the difference between this both the ages at present. Okay, that is this both. So that is 14 which is given in the question. So if you solve this equation, 7 and 7 get cancelled. 7x minus 5x is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to 14. If 2x is equal to 14, then obviously x will become 7. So they have asked is the Deepak's present age. So we have taken Deepak's present age as 7x plus 7. So let's substitute the 7 in x place. So if you substitute 7 in the x place, 7 into 7 plus 7 is the equation. So if you solve this, you will get the answer as 56. So in the given options, 56 is not there. So option D, none of these is the answer. So let's solve the MCQ 2. In a school, 50% students play cricket and 40% plays football. If 10% of students play both the games, then what percent of students play neither cricket nor football? So let's represent diagrammatically. In a school, what happened is 50% play cricket. So let's take the cricket as A. Okay, let's represent cricket as A and let's represent football as B. So this is 50% play cricket and 40% play football, and the students who play both are 10. So they have asked us the students who doesn't play both the games. Okay, so this is nothing but, this area is nothing but, let me represent with other color. So this area is nothing but intersection. This area, this total area is nothing but the cricket one. This total area is nothing but the football one. So it is nothing but n of A is given as 50. Okay, n of B is given as 40 and n of A intersection B is given as 10%. So there is a formula of A union B. A union B is written as n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So if you substitute all the values which are given in the question in this equation, you will get it as 80%, because 50 plus 40 minus intersection value is given as 10. So 50 plus 40 is 100. 100 minus 10 is nothing but 50 plus 40 is 90. 90 minus 10 is nothing but 80. Okay, n of A union B, the answer is 80. But they have asked the students who doesn't play both. The students who play both are 80%. So out of 100, if the students who play both are 80, it is nothing but 20% doesn't play any of the games. So 20% is the answer. So 20% is given in the option C. So for the question number 2, C is the correct answer. Let's solve the MCQ 3. A contract is to be completed in 50 days and 105 men are set to work, each working 8 hours a day. After 25 days, 2/5 of the work is finished. How many additional men will be employed so that the work may be completed on time? Each man now working 9 hours a day. So let's write the data initially. So the given data is something which is written in the first 3 lines. So a contract to be completed in 50 days. And how many men are working? 105 men are working. So how much how much time they are working? 8 hours per day. And how much they are completing in how many days? 2/5 of the work is completed in 25 days. So there is a formula. So this is the formula. So M1 is nothing but number of men who is working. T1 is nothing but the time taken by them to work. And in how many days? W1 is nothing but work done. So M2, T2, D2, W2 is also the same, but in the second scenario. So they have asked that in order to finish the remaining work, how many additional men are required. So already number of men working are 105. So additional number of men, let's take it as x. So M2, we have taken the value as 105 plus x. The time taken for the second scenario is 9 as given in the question. And in how many days? Same number of days, that is 25. And W2 is nothing but the remaining work. There is already work done as 2/5. So the remaining work is 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 4 is the 3 by 5 is the remaining work. So if you substitute these two values, all the values in the formula, you will get as 2 by 5 into 105 into 8 into 25. It is nothing but it is equal to 3 by 5 into 105 plus x, because the additional number of people, okay, into 9 into 25. Okay, this 25 and 25 gets cancelled and 5 and 5 get cancelled. Okay, if you solve this equation, ultimately you will get this step, that is 630 plus 6 is equal to 840. It is nothing but 6x is equal to 210, x is nothing but 35. Okay, the additional number of men required is 35. So 35 is given in the option B. So option B is correct for MCQ number 3. Let's solve the MCQ number 4. A retailer offers the following discount schemes for buying an item. 2 successive discounts of 20%. In the scenario 2, a discount of 20% followed by discount of 10%. In the scenario 3, a discount of 30% is given. Under which scheme the selling price will be maximum? So let's take all the scenarios and solve, then we'll get the answer. So in the first case, they have told us the successive discounts of 20% is given. So if we take the selling price as 100, if they are giving the 20% as discount, it is nothing but 100 into 1 minus 20 by 100. Okay, how much will get? 100 into 1 minus 20 by 100 is nothing but 80 by 100. So this is done for the second time also. So that is why we have multiplied 80 by 100 again. So after calculating this, we'll get the answer as 64. Okay. In the second scenario, initially 20% discount is given, same as the first scenario. And in the second case, in the second scenario, only 10% discount is given. Okay. If the given value is 100 into 80 by 100. So in the second case, what happened? Only 10% discount is given. So if you calculate this, you will get the same equation. Okay, if you solve this, you will get 72 as the answer. In the third case, 30% discount is given. 30% discount is nothing but 100 into 1 minus 30 by 100. You will get it as 100 into 70 by 100. So this is something which is written over here. So 70 is in the third case. So which is maximum? Maximum is in the second case. So 2 will be the answer. 2 is given in the option B. So option B is the answer. So let's solve the final question of the day. If a candle loses 10% of its length in every 60 seconds, if the height of the candle is 20 centimeter, find what will be the length after 4 minutes. So the given data is height of the candle, that is 20 centimeter. Height of the candle is given as 20 centimeters. So height will be lost 10% for every 60 seconds. So they have asked after 4 minutes. 4 minutes means it will lose the height for 4 different times. Okay, so 4 different times if it is losing the height. So initially if it is 20 as given in the question, so how much it is lost? 10% is lost. 1 minus 10 by 100, it is nothing but 20 into 9 by 10. So this 9 by 10 scenario repeats for 4 times. So that is the reason we have multiplied 9 by 10 for 4 times. So if you calculate this, you will get it as 13.122 centimeters. So after 4 minutes, what will be the height of the candle? 13.122 centimeters. So option A is correct for the MCQ number 5. So this is all about today's MCQs. I hope you have enjoyed this series. So in the next episode, that is tomorrow, will be again meeting with the other faculty with other subject. So please subscribe and stay tuned to Vysh IAS YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.